Start by removing headrest from the seat. You will need to align the headrest cover next to the headrest. This will allow you to determine the position the headrest needs to be installed. Install your headrest cover. Make sure you align the sides and Velcro both straps together to ensure a snug fit. Backrest. If the airbag option was selected, you will have a cutout with a flap on the side of each backrest cover. Make sure you align each one to the correct seat. Place seat cover over the top by holding it from both sides and slowly sliding the cover down. Make sure you align both sides with the seat side, making sure they match. Don't forget to push down on cross-like cuttings on top of your backrest. Let's not forget to fix the airbag opening. Use installation tool to help with installation. Use fork side of the tool to help push and tuck straps and elastic bands through the bottom part of the backrest and the bottom cushion. Bottom cushion. Grab the bottom portion of the car seat cover. Make sure you align the seat cover to match contours and cutouts of the bottom cushion, making sure for a snug fit. Making sure you undo the buckles from each other. Start front to back, making sure you align the seat cover with the bottom cushion. Use slanted side of the tool to help push and tuck the seat cover in between the plastic and the seat cushion to secure the fit. Don't forget to push back bottom cushion straps and flap to the back of the seat. Most cars will have a small flap on the bottom back side of your car seat that will need to be unhooked as shown. Proceed to unhook the elastic straps from underneath the bottom cushion. Pull every strap tight to secure a better fit. Use fork side of installation tool to help yourself push through all straps to the other side of the seat. Go ahead and connect each buckle to the correct one, making sure you pull tight each strap for a more secure fit. Do the same for elastic bands. Once you're done with this last step, you're ready to reattach the elastic band from the car flap back onto the bottom of the cushion, making sure you don't interfere with any of the wires from underneath the seat. Don't forget to attach the last two elastic bands to the bottom of the cushion. Now you can set the headrest back onto your seat. Now do the same for the other side. Now do the same for the other side. Back seat headrest. You will need to remove the headrest prior to installing your seat covers. Please note this only applies to headrests which are fully adjustable. Please note for the middle seat belt you will need to detach from the bottom as shown. You will need to align the headrest cover next to the headrest. This will allow you to determine the position the headrest needs to be installed. Make sure you align the sides with the stitching and Velcro the bottom straps to each other. Install your headrest cover, make sure you have everything is on the way you want. Follow this same step for the last two remaining. Install backrest. Go ahead and select the seat cover you want to install. Make sure you align the cross-like cuttings to selected hole on top of the backrest. Go ahead and undo the Velcro flaps on the bottom part of the seat cover. Bring backrest slightly forward to better help yourself with the installation. Go ahead and place seat cover onto the backrest, making sure you push down on cross-like cutting on top of the seat. Make sure you align the sides for a better fit. If your vehicle has an armrest/cup holder, there will be a cutout made to cover the back section. The armrest/cup holder tray will come with Velcro on the back side which will attach together. Now you can go ahead and put the cup holder cover on. The side panels will need to be aligned properly for a snug fit. Don't forget to attach Velcro strap together. Don't forget to push back Velcro flap to the back and attach together. To attach the back part of the seat cover, your car will have a felt cover that you will need to undo as shown. Go ahead and pull tight that Velcro strap from the seat cover and attach together for a snug fit. Bottom cushion. There will either be a pressure clip on each end where you will need to firmly push up, or have a clip with a locking mechanism that you will need to slightly pull or rotate. Slightly lift bottom cushion, making sure you don't interfere with any of the wires from underneath. Grab your seat cover and then align it with cutouts and contours of the cushion. Go ahead and flip your seat cover around and undo all buckles from the seat cover. Place seat cover onto bottom cushion and start front to back. Lift the bottom cushion and start pushing all straps to the back, attaching all front buckles to the back straps. Start from one side to the other. Don't forget the side strap. Paste everything back into place, making sure everything is on just the way you like it. Now you are ready to place headrest back on. You have successfully installed your CalTrend seat covers and are ready to be enjoyed.